Teen Tabak Dum Dum.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Hello,
Tell my channel name.
please subscribe to our channel Sips Trips and Bites.
Yes, he
We'll
knows.
be uploading videos about our daily food, our travel videos.
Not daily food, actually, it will be mixed up.
Yeah, it's
No?
kind of mixed up, like whatever we're eating outside and whatever we're eating at home. It's not like a daily food vlog, but yeah, we'll be sharing you with what we all eat. Not on a regular basis, but yeah, we'll be
Yeah.
updating you.
In short, we'll be showing you everything we do in our life. And
Not everything.
shut up. Okay, jokes apart. So we are here at Church Street and it is really good. But now all the shops are closed because as usual we are late. But we found a shop named Windy. So from there we have ordered a burger and wrap. So I'll be showing you and I'll give you the review. How is it? So yeah, let's see. So actually it is inside the food court of the Church Street. So this is, yeah, we got a Coke.
You can find this food court after you enter Church Street, and towards the end of Church Street, you can find this food court.
So yeah, I was telling, we got a Coke to pair with my burger. That is what we have ordered.
This is something Cheezonator or something. It's
Yeah,
full
this
of
one I
cheese.
guess.
Okay, it's Lord Cheezynator.
Lord Cheesy Netter, and there is one wrap along with it, but I think it is too thin.
That's not a wrap. Actually, it looks like the mini paratha.
Yeah,
Very
I
thin.
mean it is still 99 rupees and it is too thin. I think it's not fair at all.
It's not even wrapped in a good way. If you see, it's opening like this.
We are
Okay,
very much
let's see.
skeptical about this actually. I don't think it will taste good. I mean it is too thin, yaar. Like what is this? Okay, you can
Okay.
take a bite and let us know if it is worth trying or not. Can you show the filling? Oh, don't bring too close. Yeah. Okay, that crispy chicken filling, I guess.
The taste is good actually. It's good, but the thing is, it's very thin. It just has chicken, nothing else inside.
How much would you rate out of 5?
Since I'm hungry, I'll rate it 3.5 out of 5.
Otherwise, it is too bad. Oh no.
No, it's not bad. It's good. The taste is good, but it's just that it does not have enough fillings inside.
Okay. So we need to adjust for now. Let's unwrap this burger. Hope it tastes good. I don't want to waste my money anymore. So this is my burger. It has filling of tomatoes, the patty, chicken
It's
patty.
cheese in it, right? Where is the cheese?
They have just added one slice. That's it. It is cheating, guys.
That's not cheese in it. It should be filled with cheese.
Yeah. I mean, it took. They took 200 for this, right?
Yeah, around 170, 180.
Oh God. So let me take the first bite. It's decent actually.
No, actually, thing is the taste is good. Like the wrap is good, the burger is good. It's not like it's not worth of 200 or this
Yeah.
thing at 99.
Yeah.
I mean, what they have written as Cheezynator should be filled with cheese like we have in pizza. The name should suggest, whatever they have given the name, the thing should be as such, right?
Yeah. Okay, like one time you can have, not a big loss, but what else? It's okay. guys, his wrap is already finished, but my burger is still there.
Looks yummy.
So we ordered few flavors and everything was too good. So here actually it works like you have to first choose your cup size. Like there will be small, medium and a large one. After buying that, you will be getting two choices of your own flavor. Like whatever you can choose for, you will be getting that. And this is the like best gelato in town. And it is one of my favorite ice cream shop. I mean gelato shop in the entire place. So yeah. So yeah guys, we reached home and this was a small short of vlog just to keep you updated, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and you know the drill what to do. So it is absolutely free. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.